Are you tired of sending printers into a vendor for repair, not knowing the status of your repair, or waiting a long time to receive the printers back? The Unilink online repair site allows you the opportunity to check the status of a repair from the moment we receive the printers. We typically repair printers and send them back within 48 hours and update your information online to let you know that. An automatic byproduct of our system is the ability to go online at any time, search by serial number or repair authorization number, and know what Unilink has done to repair a printer, what parts were used, and how much labor time was used, along with all the UPS tracking information. These are all great tools to research the history of a repair that you have with Unilink. The process is easy. Our repair manager will show you how to set up a printer repair online. Simply log into your account or create one via the Printer Repair tab. Choose the ticket icon, create your repair ticket, and submit it. As soon as it's received, you'll get further instructions from our certified repair center.